What's going on, guys? It's Mo here with Auto Addict. Hope you guys are having a good day today. Our Street Fighter wide body Gen 6 build is back for another mod. What's the mod that's going to be adding to this build? Stay tuned for that. It isn't going to be another carbon fiber piece, so we're going to go ahead and disassemble the bumper and show you guys the end results. APR front extension splitter full on installed on the SS Camaro. Please note, guys, this is the OEM ZL1 bumper that's been put on the SS Camaro with the OEM fenders of a ZL1. So if you get this splitter, and make sure you order the right one, there's a difference between the SS OEM and the SS ZL1 aftermarket conversion bumper and the ZL1 OEM fenders. With this matter of this build being an SS and rocking OEM specs of a ZL1 Camaro, had to make sure that we had spacers in the middle over here because the ZL1 OEM bumper original from the dealer does not have any sort of coverage. So we were able to put spacers in the front and obviously all the screws on the other side, finishing it off with the two rods held on to make sure it keeps the splitter nice and durable. Alright guys, if you guys are interested in rocking something like Carlos just did on his build, please let us know. We'll be more than happy to help you guys out. This splitter is available for the LT, the RS, the SS, the ZL1 aftermarket bumper that we carry, and the OEM ZL1 bumper. So if you guys are looking to add more carbon fiber, give your car a more aerodynamic look as well with a nice performance aggressive carbon fiber component, this splitter is for you. We offer it for a variety of cars as well, not just Camaros. It might take a couple weeks to build before we ship it out or come inside our warehouse in our California location and install it. But if you're interested, all information will be down below so you guys can get in contact with us, so we're more than happy to help you guys out. Alright guys, hope you guys like this video. The wide body, I'm so happy to see it back here again, adding more carbon fiber the way it should be. If you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you guys love this build, make sure you guys subscribe. We have a lot more coming up for it. Our client is in for a big project after the big wide body that we just launched with Street Fighter on this Gen 6. If you guys have not subscribed, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell button so you guys are fully alerted when we post. I can't wait to show you guys what's next. I will see you in the next video. Peace.